Choosing between expensive or cheap spark plugs might seem like a simple decision, but in reality, it's one of those topics where most people think they understand the difference and end up getting it wrong. Because there's a common belief that paying more automatically improves engine performance. So in this video, I'm going to explain whether it's actually worth spending more, how spark plugs really work, what changes between different types, and the clear signs that they're no longer working properly. And stay until the end, because I'll show you something almost no one checks when replacing them, and how to fix it, since it can ruin performance, increase fuel consumption, and cause brand new spark plugs to fail prematurely. Inside the cylinder, the engine compresses a very precise mixture of air and fuel. That mixture cannot ignite at just any moment or in any way, because if the spark arrives late, weak, or poorly positioned, the explosion won't push the piston the way it should. That's where the spark plug comes in. It generates a discharge of thousands of volts that jumps between its electrodes, creating a microscopic flame kernel that then expands and burns the entire mixture. But the spark plug doesn't just create a spark, it also controls heat inside the cylinder. If it doesn't dissipate heat properly, it can overheat and cause pre-ignition, where the mixture ignites too early, hitting the piston and damaging the engine without the driver immediately noticing. In modern engines, this becomes even more critical, because the vehicle's ECU, engine control unit, expects a precise spark to match its fuel injection and ignition calculations. When the spark plug doesn't perform correctly, the ECU tries to compensate, but it can't fix a bad spark. It can only burn more fuel to mask the problem. Everything starts at the top, where the ignition coil or wire connects. It may seem simple, but it's crucial. It's where the high voltage enters. If the contact isn't solid or is dirty, the current won't arrive cleanly, and the spark loses strength before it even forms. From there, the electricity travels down the central electrode, which runs through the body of the spark plug. This electrode isn't exposed. It's protected by a ceramic insulator that serves two critical purposes: preventing current leakage and maintaining thermal stability. If that insulator cracks, gets contaminated, or dirty, the spark can deviate, and the cylinder may start misfiring without a clear warning. The metal body of the spark plug is more important than it seems. It doesn't just secure the plug in place, it also transfers heat to the cylinder head. If heat isn't dissipated properly, the plug overheats and can trigger pre-ignition or detonation, two of the most dangerous conditions for an engine. At the tip is the ground electrode, the destination of the spark. Its position determines where the spark jumps and how the flame begins. If it's bent, worn, or misaligned, the spark forms incorrectly, even if voltage is present. And between the central electrode and the ground electrode is where everything happens. The gap, that tiny space, is literally where combustion is decided, whether it starts clean and efficient or flawed and problematic. From the outside, all spark plugs look the same, and that's exactly the problem. Many people think switching types is just about price, when in reality, each type changes how the engine burns fuel. Conventional spark plugs, the most common and cheapest, use copper or nickel electrodes. They work well, produce a proper spark, and do their job, but they wear out quickly. As mileage increases, the electrode gradually erodes, the spark becomes larger but less precise, and the engine slowly loses efficiency without warning. They don't fail suddenly. They just make the car consume more fuel and respond worse over time. Then there are platinum spark plugs, which many people believe are more powerful, when in reality their main advantage is stability. Platinum resists heat and wear better, keeping the spark more consistent over a longer period. The engine feels the same for more miles, but that doesn't mean the car will automatically be faster or more efficient. It means it won't degrade as quickly as with basic plugs. Double platinum spark plugs are designed for specific ignition systems, especially those where the spark jumps in both directions. Using them in an engine that doesn't require them offers no real benefit, but not using them where they are required can accelerate wear in the ignition system. And this is one of the most common mistakes in workshops that install whatever is available. Iridium spark plugs are the most misunderstood. Many people buy them expecting more power or better fuel economy, when in reality, iridium allows for a finer and more stable spark, especially in modern engines with high compression and precise electronic control. If the engine is designed for them, they work perfectly. If not, the benefit is minimal or sometimes non-existent. 4 real symptoms of faulty spark plugs that most people overlook.
The first symptom almost always appears during startup, and it's one of the most ignored. When spark plugs begin to fail, the engine needs more effort to start, especially when cold. It's not that it won't start, it does, but it takes a little longer. The engine cranks an extra second, or it just doesn't feel as clean. This happens because the spark is no longer strong enough to ignite the compressed mixture on the first try, so the fuel injection system compensates by adding more fuel. The driver gets used to it, but every start like this is already an inefficient combustion from the very first engine rotation. The second symptom shows up during acceleration, especially from low RPM. The car responds, but with a kind of delay, as if it hesitates before reacting. It's not a total lack of power, it's an irregular delivery. This happens because one or more spark plugs aren't igniting the mixture consistently. So some cylinders push hard while others don't. The result is less clean, less direct acceleration, with a heavy engine feel, even though the problem may be less noticeable at highway speeds. The third symptom is one of the most expensive in the long run: a gradual increase in fuel consumption. When the spark is weak or unstable, the mixture doesn't burn completely, and the vehicle's computer detects this through the oxygen sensors. What does the system do? It injects more fuel to try to maintain performance. The driver doesn't feel a clear failure, just notices that the tank empties faster, often blaming traffic or driving style, when in reality extra fuel is being burned to compensate for worn spark plugs. The fourth symptom appears at idle, when stopped at a traffic light or parked. Light but constant vibrations. It's not a strong shake, but a subtle vibration that makes the engine feel slightly uneven. This happens because combustion isn't uniform across all cylinders. Some explosions are complete, others aren't, and that imbalance is transmitted directly to the engine block. Many people think all cars vibrate a little, but when spark plugs are in good condition, idle should be smooth and stable.
The first mistake, and the most common, is believing that all spark plugs are the same as long as they fit. Every engine is designed to work with a specific type of spark plug, with a defined material, a precise heat range, and a particular spark shape. Changing that doesn't just work the same, it alters how the engine behaves. Another serious mistake is misunderstanding the replacement interval. Many drivers think that if the manufacturer says 60,000 or 100,000 kilometers, the spark plug will perform perfectly until that exact point and then suddenly need replacement. But in reality, that number is the maximum limit, not the optimal point, especially if you drive in city traffic, make short trips, or use lower quality fuel. Then there's the torque mistake. Spark plugs are not tightened as hard as possible. They require a specific torque setting. Over-tightening can damage the cylinder threads or deform the spark plug body, while under-tightening can cause compression leaks and overheating. Both situations directly affect engine performance, yet almost no one checks this properly. And then comes the biggest mistake, the one almost nobody looks at, the real hidden detail. The gap, as I mentioned before, is the exact distance between the spark plug electrodes, and even though it may seem like a minor detail, it defines how the spark is created and how combustion begins inside the cylinder. It's not decorative or optional. It's a critical adjustment that the engine expects with millimetric precision. When the gap is too large, the spark needs more voltage to jump. At first, the ignition system can compensate, but that extra demand puts stress on coils, wires, and modules, and the spark becomes unstable. The result isn't an immediate failure. It's irregular combustion, causing slight jerks, slower response, and higher fuel consumption, even though the car still feels normal. If the gap is too small, the spark jumps easily, but it's weak and short. The mixture ignites, yes, but it doesn't burn evenly or completely. This leads to incomplete combustion, residue buildup, and reduced engine efficiency. The driver may not notice a clear failure, just that the car doesn't pull the same and fuel consumption starts increasing without an obvious reason. Many spark plugs come pre-gapped, but transport, handling, or even the engine type can make that setting less than ideal. And in modern engines, even a small variation in the gap is enough to significantly affect ignition performance. Also, the gap is not universal. Every engine has a specific value defined by the manufacturer, calculated based on compression, ignition coil characteristics, and combustion chamber design. Adjusting it by eye or using the same value for every car is one of the most common mistakes, even in workshops. And here's the part almost nobody tells you. A correct spark plug with the wrong gap will perform worse than an old spark plug that's properly calibrated. That's why some people replace their spark plugs and feel no improvement, or even think the car got worse. To truly understand it, you have to start with the basics. All spark plugs, regardless of price, perform exactly the same function. They generate the spark that ignites the air-fuel mixture inside the cylinder. That means that, under normal conditions, both a budget spark plug and a high-end one can make the engine run properly as long as they are the correct type for that engine. The real difference comes from the materials they're made of. Cheaper spark plugs typically use copper electrodes, while more expensive ones use materials like platinum or iridium, which are far more resistant to wear, heat, and erosion caused by constant combustion inside the engine. This allows them to maintain a more stable spark for a much longer time. This directly translates into lifespan. A copper spark plug may need replacement relatively quickly, while platinum or iridium plugs can last several times longer without losing efficiency. That means less frequent maintenance and more consistent engine performance over time. However, this is where one of the biggest misconceptions appears. Many people install more expensive spark plugs expecting a noticeable improvement in power or fuel economy, when in reality, in a normal vehicle, the difference in performance is almost imperceptible. The engine is designed to operate within specific parameters. It won't produce more power just because the electrode material changed. In fact, the most common mistake isn't buying cheap spark plugs. It's installing plugs that don't match the manufacturer's specifications, especially when ignoring the heat range. This refers to the plug's ability to dissipate heat, and choosing one that's too hot or too cold for the engine can cause everything from misfires and carbon buildup to long-term internal damage. That's why the right choice isn't really about price. It's about the engine type, how the vehicle is used, and the maintenance you're willing to perform. In a simple car, with regular spark plug changes and normal use, a budget option can be perfectly valid. But in modern, turbocharged, or high-performance engines, more advanced materials make sense because they handle higher demands and maintain efficiency for longer.